1, 2, 3, go. Now, let's talk about
interesting
interesting
facts. Ano ba? Bakit ka kasi magmadali?
1, 2, 3, go. And now, let's talk about interesting facts about perpetual health. Number 1.
Guys, you know, sa 5th floor, main building, kasi, uso kasi dito yung may nagpapakamatay, gano'n.
Kwento sa akin, may babae daw nabuntis, tapos hindi niya kayang i-handle. Then, so nagpakamatay siya in the 5th
Yes.
floor of our building.
Pressure. Naghila siya ng upuan from a room, tapos, nilagay niya dun sa may ledge. Mayroon siya dun sa upuan, tapos tumalon siya dun. Bagsak siya sa may puno.
So,
banda.
dedo. Sabi daw, may nagpaparamdam daw sa room na yon.
That means Perpetual has a lot of ghosts.
Yes. Everyone, especially in our university, and yun nga, madaming ang
Yeah, this school is haunted, guys.
Number 2.
Senior high school has a lot of students. So, sabi sa amin, estimated 2,750 plus students.
Pero expect it, guys, it's a university. May preschool, grade school, high school, senior high, and
school,
college.
college.
So, sobrang dami. Senior high, 2,000 plus na. Paano pa kaya pag
Junior
kinumbine
high
lahat?
school. Kaya nga eh.
Okay. Number 3.
Ano ba yung number 3?
New gym.
Yeah, okay guys.
New gym. May naglalarong volleyball
Yeah,
players and may mga
May
estudyante.
classrooms.
Yes, classroom.
Yeah, the funny thing is that they're training volleyball, basketball, well, there are classes ongoing. 3 on the left side and 2 on the right side. So, you can just imagine how the noises when
Yeah. So, di ba guys, it is an interesting fact about the university kasi kami lang nag-iisang university na may classroom sa new gym. Number 4. Higad.
The English of higad.
It is
I forgot.
it's caterpillar, no?
No, it's not a
It's just a insect na makate. Puno.
Even one piece of hair of
Of it.
higad. Sobrang
Makakati
kati
ka na,
na, buong
mamumula ka
katawan
na,
mo.
malulobo-lobo
As in,
na yan.
Kailangan talaga iwas na iwas ka, especially in this season, rainy season.
Yes, that's true.
Uso yung mga higad.
Mm-mm.
Especially here in Perpetual, we have
Kasi-
acacia trees, ganun.
Totoo. Ngayon sa Oval kami ngayon, kasi ngayon lang may lilim at saka walang ingay. So, ito yung pinili naming pwesto.
Yeah.
Tip from us, stay away from
Oo,
trees.
From trees, especially yung mga trees na katulad dun sa video na pinakita. Higad no more, mga guys.
Okay. Number 5, Oval. Guys, Oval is the place where everyone can date. May PDA talaga dito. Tosin guys, kapag di na masyadong mainit, dami nang tumatambay, madami ng mga college, kung saan-saan, then, gagawin dating
Alam
place.
nyo na.
Yes. Next, about sa Oval naman, may secret place, secret
Yes,
pathway.
secret store.
Yes.
Pero you can go there, pero yung daan niya, may mga aso, gano'n.
Oo, marami nang nakatambak, may mga basura na,
Hindi
kung ano-ano
nila
na.
nililinis yung
Yes.
pathway. Parang wala nang estudyante pumunta doon.
Yes, to avoid intruders, mga
Tsaka,
trespassing.
to avoid cutting, gano'n.
Totoo.
Uso yun.
Next.
Okay, ano ba yung number 6?
Tapos, lahat na feel natin, yun na yun eh. Lahat na may isip. Hayop. Yung mga
Ay, oo, yung mga hayop. So guys, here in the Oval, syempre may mga, it's nature, gano'n. Uso yung mga trees,
lalo na
grass.
sobrang laki pa siya, kaya minsan
malapad talaga
tinatambayan
siya.
din ng mga hayop. Like
Hayop,
kambing,
horses. Minsan meron pang ang pabo. Ano yun?
Oo.
Di ba? The funny thing is, yung pabo, nanghahabol siya. Tinitingnan mo pa lang, mga habol na siya.
Totoo. Ngayon, ayun, may kambing!
Oh my God! Wait.
Nakita natin.
Tumawid dito.
I know!
Oh my God.
Sayang, dun lang
Next
siya sa
time,
gilid.
guys.
Yes.
And having animals in our oval just means that fresh pa siya and
Yes.
wala masyadong pollution.
Ang dami mong trivia!
Especially nowadays na lumalala na yung pollution sa Pilipinas.
So, di ba, it's a good thing kahit na puro PDA, puro multo, puro mga pangit abot sa school.
Yeah.
Eh, maganda is eco-friendly yung university namin.
Yeah.
Kaya dito may makikita kayong kubayo.
Kabayo?
Kabayo?
Sino yan?
Sino? Number 6.
No, 6 na ba? 7 na.
Number 7.
Here in the Oval, guys, minsan nag-conduct sila ng mga activities like carnival, some
Time na may Ferris wheel,
yeah,
yung mga floated
carnivals.
balloons. I mean, yung
yung malaki,
malaking playground na
ganun.
to.
Yung malaking, minsan naglalagay din sila, lalo na yung zip line.
Yeah, it's so beautiful thing. Pero, bakit tinanggal?
Tinanggal siya kasi hindi na safe para sa ibang estudyante. Siyempre, nangalawang, gano'n. Yeah, every year, Perpetual conducts earthquake drill and fire drill. Oval.
Safety first muna talaga.
Safety first
So,
before entertainment and
Yes.
fun. So that the students here can know what to do when the situation occurs.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Thank you, Ninya.
Thank you for having me in your video,
So,
Angel.
usually, nakikita niyo naman, sobrang daldal niya kasi old student siya, mas matagal siya
Yeah, I
nagstay
know a lot
dito
about
sa akin.
Perpetual.
Yes, I thank you for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. It's free para makita niyo mga next videos ko. Usually,
Yes.
vlogs, makikita mo siya lagi.
Yeah,
So,
because we're always together.
Kasi kami
we're
magkaklase.
classmates.
Yes,
STEM
classmates
7.
kami.
Ay, 7.
STEM 7. We're senior highs of University of Perpetual and
Molina campus.
yeah, that's it. See you soon. Goodbye.